Hello friends of Davidoff Cool Water, I am Enric Sala, National Geographic Explorer. We are back to the mainland after our expedition to the Desventuradas Islands. We spent almost 270 hours underwater, conducted almost 20 submarine dives, and dropped our deep cameras 30 times. The underwater world of the Desventuradas Islands is full of luscious kelp forests, abundant large fish, and lots of large lobsters. In the next few months, we are going to be editing our footage and analyzing our scientific data to come back to Chile and share our results with the Chilean people and the government. And I hope that we'll make them fall in love with the Desventuradas Islands and inspire them to do something to preserve them as they are. Thank you, Davidoff Cool Water, for your crucial support of this pristine seas expedition.